In this video of ProSeries tax software, we're going to take a look at how to mark and track estimated entries. So this is the main screen of ProSeries. We call this Home Base, which is a list of all the current clients that you have in the software. And we're going to double click and open our tax return sample, Kevin and Suzanne Smith. When we open the tax return, the feature I want to show you is how to mark a field as an estimated number. There are times when customers don't know the exact figure. You'd like to put a number in and keep track of it and mark it as an estimate. So let's click on the left-hand side, open up the Schedule C that I created for this return. I just called this a florist business, KS Flowers. We enter, just like we do on our Schedule C, the income of $23,122. But let's move down to this the section for expenses. You can see I've got some advertising expense, contract labor. Now let's say in this particular instance, the client says, I'm not really sure what the amount of my commission expenses were, but I think it was about $5,000. So what you want to do, you might want to mark that as an estimated number. So what you do is you go directly to the field and put in the number, 5,000. Right click on the field, and right here it says mark as estimated. Just click that. And what the software will do is it will kind of put a red background on the field with some red lettering so that you know when you see it, that's a number that you've marked as an estimate. Now, the great thing about marking estimates is we still use that $5,000 in the calculation of the tax return, so you can at least give your client a tentative bottom line on the return. And the good thing about marking things as estimates is you don't have to remember to go back through every single screen to find those fields. Because when we check our diagnostics, we will have a diagnostic that reminds you, hey, there's an amount on line 10 of Schedule C that's marked as an estimate. So let's see how we pick that up in our diagnostics. At the top of the screen, we have a button called Review. This is what our clients click to go through a final review of the return to find any errors, omissions, things they may have just overlooked in the return. So if I click Review, what will happen here is it's going to automatically start to look for certain things in my tax return. So let's hit Review. Now, you notice at the top it starts looking for any errors and omissions. If I go over to the right and hit the button that says Start, the only error that I have in this return right now, it says Schedule C, line 10, marked as estimated. Enter the correct number and then select Unmark Estimated from the Edit menu. Now, the nice thing about this is when you see your error above telling you that you have an estimated number, down below, the cursor has already opened up, or the program has already opened up the correct screen and put you directly on the line where you've marked that field as an estimate, $5,000. So that's very simple to do. You can do it on any field in the program. If you have something that you'd like to mark as an estimate, simply right-click after putting the figure on the line. The software will keep track of all fields that are marked as estimates so that you can clean them up during the review process. Thank you.